everyone, this is me Ojasvi and I'm currently pursuing bioscience from Banasli Vidyapeeth, Rajasthan. Today, I'll be sharing with you all my review on Dizzy Global Solution, which I think is the best digital marketing institute in Varanasi. And mind it if I'm saying this because currently I am studying in this institute and I think it's great. So let's begin from the beginning. A few days back, I thought I should do something productive in this lockdown and I should learn something new. So, what's better than digital marketing? Because I always wanted to make videos. It has YouTube marketing. I always wanted to, be on social media and it has social media marketing. I always wanted my own website and it has website development, search engine optimization, etc. So I think this was it. Okay, I want to learn this. I want this. So I searched for the same on Google that from where I can learn digital marketing, and then I got to know about few institutes. I called them, but there was a problem with me that I don't live in Varanasi. I live near Varanasi in a small town. So my parents were concerned that where will I live in Varanasi, about the PGs, and all those safety reasons, etc. Then I dropped the idea. I thought, okay, maybe I'm not going. But still, I was so passionate about it that I really wanted to learn. So after a few months, I told them again that I really want to go. And then I visited some institutes in Varanasi, but I wasn't fully satisfied because of their prices and the way they were talking. It was a bit misleading. So I thought that no, I don't want this. So when I came home and then I thought, okay, I will search for it again. So I searched for the best digital marketing institute in Varanasi again on Google, and on Google Business I got to know about Dizzy Global Solution. So it had at that time more than 4.5 plus rating. So I thought that's impressive, and then I thought, okay, it might be like a few people have just rated. Then I just opened it, and there were more than 100 reviews. And I thought that this must be something, that there are more than 100 reviews and they all are just saying good about this. So I thought that I should give this institute a call. For sure, I should give it a call. So I called on that number, and then I got to talk to Saurabh sir, who is the owner of Dizzy Global Solution. And I was really impressed because the way he told everything about digital marketing, and his price was very fair as compared to other institutes in Varanasi. Also, he didn't mislead me, as I told you that I went to some other institute, and when I talked to them, they were like that, you will just start earning in your first month of learning. It was like you can start earning when you are learning, right? So if you're when you're learning, you will start, if you start making logo, you can charge 1500 rupees, etc, etc. So I think that was a little misleading because they were just beating around the bush. They were like, okay, you will learn a lot, and that was a little misleading for me personally. It was for me. So but when I was talking to Saurabh sir, there was nothing like this. He just told me about everything about the course, and in what duration it will be completed, and the price. It was very nice. It was a fair price. So I thought that, okay, I should just go for it. Then I made him talk to my dad, and my dad said it's okay, yeah, okay, you can go. And then I was so happy, and I thanked Saurabh sir that thank you so much that he talked for me. So it was really nice. And then I went there, I attended live classes, and it was really nice. The way they teach you, he is literally a trainer and not a teacher. Okay, he's a trainer. He pushes you to think. As a digital marketer, we have to think, because we have to be a little creative. So he just pushes you. Okay, whenever, and we were like 10 students in a class, and he's not like he will give attention to only two students who are just working. He just give attention to everyone. He just motivates everyone and pushes everyone to work hard. He just he I think that's the best quality as a trainer, that you push your trainee to think, and to work hard. Okay, and one other thing that I like very much about him was that, okay, is that he clears everything, in a very detail, like every concept. What is SEO, what is blog, everything. He just teaches us in so precise way. It is like so profound at every detail. He teaches us every detail, and it's so amazing. So I literally just love the way he trains us, and he pushes us to think, and pays attention to everyone in the class. It's just so beautiful, and it's amazing. So I think yeah, this was for today. I think you all should join Dizzy Global Solution. Thank you.